So please excuse my hair right now, it's drying. But I already did my eyebrows off camera and I applied my primer off camera. To do my eyebrows, I used the E.L.F. eyebrow palette in the shade Dark. And the primer I used is the Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Mocha. And I am applying this with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. So I just apply like 1 pump, 1.5 pumps, and then I'll just dot it around my face. And then go ahead and blend that in. I have really dry skin, except for like in the summertime. I guess my skin turns into combination skin because I do get oily around my like T-zone area. But this foundation, especially in the winter time when my skin is super dry, it leaves my skin really dewy and healthy looking. You know, like my skin doesn't look dry. I would say if you have oily skin, you may not like this foundation, but I love it. I always tried out different foundations and I end up coming back to this one because it just works the best for me. So I blend it into like my hairline, I blend it to my neck. Ooh. I think that's good. So for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Can you see that? And this is in the shade Honey. And I'm just using this to conceal because I noticed that with a lot of Instagram baddie looks, they always, like their T-zone is always super highlighted. So I am going to be highlighting today, but I'm not using this to highlight with. I'm going to just apply this under my eyes. Chin and my forehead. So to highlight, I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer. This is the Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade Sand, number 20. And I'm only gonna put like a little bit of strokes, like 1, 2, 1, 2, just to lighten up the places that I applied my concealer. I'm using the same beauty sponge, but I'm using the pointy end. I'm just gonna blend that in. Don't worry about it. Once I start bronzing, I won't look like a ghost. This is like not the first time I've filmed a makeup tutorial. I've filmed like 5 before this, but they all look really bad, or I just had some kind of complication. Like the last time I tried to film a makeup tutorial, my freaking camera fell off the tripod and just broke. Like it wouldn't turn on. I like had to go on Google to figure out what the hell happened to my camera. I was so upset. And this stuff like that always happens to me. Like when I'm like in a rush to do something, or like if I'm excited to do something, everything just goes wrong. It's like a series of unfortunate events. Anywho, to contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. And so I'm gonna start on my forehead and just go around. I do like a little C, and then I do it to the other side. And then I'm taking the same beauty blender. Actually, no, I'm taking another beauty blender because I don't want to, the shade's darker, so I don't want to get on my other one. But yeah, I'm taking another Real Techniques beauty sponge and I'm just gonna go blend that in. I like the shade of this matchstick, but if any of you guys have it, let me know if you find it hard to blend out. Like the first time I got it, I did not like it at all because it just stuck to my face and I couldn't blend it out. Now I think that the formula has like melted a little bit, so it is a little easier to blend out, but it's not that easy still. Like see, usually this line is supposed to be straight, but it's not, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But yeah, usually I don't cream contour, but on Instagram, all these girls have really chiseled faces. So if you want to look like an Instagram baddie, you gotta contour because I'm gonna apply a little bit more because I don't like the way that came out. I'm gonna fix it with my powder anyways, but yeah, that looks better. Okay, so the contouring is all done. I did mess up on this side, as you can see, like right here. That's okay, my powder's gonna fix it all up. So for my powder, I'm using the Hourglass translucent setting powder, and this is honestly my new favorite powder. Like, I usually would use the Laura Mercier powder, but this powder is 10 times better, and I feel like people sleep on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and bake a little bit. I love this stuff. It makes my makeup last all day, and it doesn't leave my face super dry when I apply it. And at the end of the day, my face isn't oily. Wait, let me just fix this right now. Yeah, at the end of the day, my face isn't oily like it would be with other powders. Like, even though my skin is dry, if I am out all day with makeup, my skin will get oily and my makeup will start to like look greasy. But with this powder, it doesn't do that. So highly recommend that powder. So I'm gonna let that sit for a while. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. I'm using the same Fenty Beauty Matchstick, and I'm just gonna like go like that and go like that. Just kind of trace the outlines of my nose, and then I like to put some in these like little creases right here. And then to blend that out, I'm using this brush. I got it from Amazon in a pack of brushes. The brand was called BS Mall or B Small, something like that. But yeah, I'm using this brush. It's kind of like angled, which I like. I find it easier to blend out my nose contour with this brush. And I just realized I didn't do my eyes. Usually when I do my makeup, my eyes are the first thing that I do. But I'm not going to be applying a lot of eyeshadow because I feel like most Instagram baddies don't have a lot going on their eyelids. They usually keep it pretty simple. Their face makeup makes up a big part of the baddie look, which is why I'm going to focus more on face. So I'm just going to buff that out. I especially want to clean up my contour. And when I wipe away my powder, I like to put some on my eyelid as well as on my eyebrows, because for some reason my eyebrows collect a lot of oil throughout the day. I think it's maybe because of the product that I use to fill in my eyebrows, but that's just an observation I've noticed. And I also like to apply powder to like my smile lines. So now I'm gonna go and apply some bronzer just to kind of deepen my contour. So to do that, I'm using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and this one actually broke. And to apply that, I'm using the Real Techniques powder brush. And I like to go in circles because I find that it blends better. To do my eyes, I'm going to be using this Morphe palette, and this is the 350 palette. It looks like this. So pretty. I'm going to be using my E.L.F 250 brush, and I'm using this shade right here. And I'm gonna apply this to, what's it called? My crease. Now when I use brushes, I like to go in a circular motion. And I'm also going to apply some to my outer corner. And then for the lid, I'm just going to be using this shade right here. I'm using this random flat brush that I got at Dwayne Reed. And I'm going to apply that to my lid. And then I'm going to go back in with the first shade and blend everything in. And yeah, that's basically it for the lids. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the next eye. So since I did do a very neutral lid, I am going to be doing a wing to kind of spice it up a little bit. Okay, so I already did the wing on my first eye. So I'm just going to walk you through what I did for the second eye. And that's it for the wing liner. So the eyeliner is done. I'm gonna go and add a little bit of eyeshadow underneath my eye. I'm using this E.L.F. eyeshadow C brush. Looks like this. The brush part is pretty small and it's pretty dense, so it's perfect for like packing in color under your eye. And I'm going in with the first shade that I used, this one right here. And I'm just putting that under my eye. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with some blush. So for blush, I'm using this mini blush by the Balm. This is the Alternative Rock blush in the shade Bare Minimum. And I'm using another one of these Amazon brushes. This one's like a dense, rounded angle brush. And I'm just gonna apply this to my cheeks. So moving on to highlight. For highlight, I'm using my favorite highlight. This is the Ofra highlight in the shade Rodeo Drive, and this highlight is amazing. Like, let me show you. I'm applying this to my cheekbone. Like, do you see that? Like, bro. Enough said, right? So for my nose highlight, I'm going to use another Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Rum. And this one's more of a yellow highlight. But I like it on my nose. I just like the applicator, so applying it on my nose. So I get it right in that middle spot, as opposed to when I use like my brush, it kind of just like goes all over, which I don't like. And I apply some to the bridge of my nose too, and I just take my finger and blend it out a little bit. And then I also like that I can apply it under my brow bone without it getting on my eyebrow. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And I'm just going to apply a little bit, not a lot, because I am going to be putting on false eyelashes. And then I'm going to apply some to my bottom lashes as well. And then for my waterline eyeliner, I'm using Nars Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner. So I'm gonna quickly go off camera and put on my lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on and I'm feeling pretty good about the way my makeup turned out. Now all that's left is my lips. To moisturize my lips, I'm going to be using Baby Lips. It's like this color. I love this color because it gives your lips like a really nice natural tint. For my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Liply. Number 18. I actually don't have any lip liner right now, so I'm just gonna try and make do. It's a pink lipstick, so it's not like it's a dark color. I don't really need I don't necessarily need a lip liner. Okay, so lips are done. Now I'm going to apply my setting spray. I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And you know, I'm just gonna bathe myself in this. Once again, this was my take on the Instagram baddie look. I think it came out pretty well. I feel like a baddie. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Feel free to suggest any other kind of videos that you guys would like me to do. Do not forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on my social media, which will also be linked down below. If you guys like seeing me, show some love, you know. Please give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.